Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back.
We're actually house sitting at the moment, so that gives Greg some time to do some well needed jobs on the caravan, like the brakes, so that's very important. So he's just done them, so hopefully we won't see the van going down the hill anytime soon, so that'll be great. Of course, the most important part of any house sit are the animals, and we're lucky enough to be looking after Louie.
Hi Sandy, so where are we?
We're actually Whites Bay, just out of Marlborough, just on like the Port Underwood Pass as you go to Picton.
Yeah.
Sort of the way we don't normally go because we're a big caravan, we might get stuck.
Yeah.
But Whites Bay is really easy to get to.
Yeah.
We just slipped on some mud.
It's a little bit wet here.
But wet.
We're still doing dry July. Sandy is not drunk, honestly. Honestly, she's not.
Okay, we might cut that out. Oh, we
Okay.
probably won't. So we haven't been here before because it's a dog campground and no dogs.
No.
So we're trying to, obviously we had Holly before, so we couldn't really do that. So yeah, we just thought we'd come here. It's right by the beach.
Yeah.
No one else here because it is July.
Yeah, middle of winter.
Middle of winter, yeah.
That's right. Yeah. So we'll show you around a bit. It's be a lovely place. It's got quite a few buildings here. It's got a big surf club, and I'm sure in summertime it would be
Pumping.
fantastic. Yeah. I'm quite liking Whites Bay. It's very
Yeah,
nice,
it's
isn't
nice,
it?
eh? Yeah.
Very nice.
Do you want to go for a swim?
I'm going to pass because it's freezing cold.
Freezing cold. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, Whites Bay. So Monkey Bay. It says it's a steep bike. No mountain bikes. So it's a walking track. And there's the loop track around there.
Yeah, quite a few tracks, eh?
There is. Yeah, it's good. Great little asset.
Although it is a bit wet and mushy, isn't it?
Yes.
There's a couple of little tracks that we'll do.
Yeah.
Like there's one actually to see, it's only like 10 minutes to see some glowworms. So
Yeah. There you go, first link between the North and South Island. Obviously before STARLINK.
So there's our car and caravan, and just over there is our little boat. So we are going to swap the caravan for the boat. See you next time, Maverick. what bait are you using there, Greg?
This is squid, Sandy.
Squid, right, yes.
Yes. We find that blue cod are actually cannibals and they like eating other fish. Weird.
Weird that, yeah.
Yes.
I know.
Yeah. Like if you were fishing for humans, you wouldn't put a leg over, would you?
Well, no, you wouldn't think you would,
No.
no, but... Actually, what would you put over if you're fishing for humans? What, chocolate?
Yeah, chocolate probably.
Wine?
Well, for you, yeah, definitely.
Oh, I can't have it at the moment because I'm dry July.
That's good, me too. Right, it's a bait your own boat, I'm afraid, so see you later.
This is Greg not driving. We've got the Minn Kota driving for us. That's very cool. Reminds me of the little robot in the short circuit. Very cool. And what's it taking us to, Greg?
Jake's spot.
Jake's spot, yeah, which is the hopefully the lucky fishing spot. It has been in the past, but we'll see today. And how many feet or metres?
We usually do about 12 to 13.
12 to 13 for blue cod. But we'll see. Far out. Another shark, Greg. Ah, come on, you're a shark specialist.
I should be a car salesman.
Look at that. 2. I wonder if I can't bother to catch anything. Look at it. Hey guys, hey, thanks for watching our video. As you can see, we've had a sort of varied month. That's pretty much a typical month at the moment for us.
It is very up and down. We never make a plan.
No, we don't, because it changes.
So what have we done this month?
We have house sat and dog sat, which was very, very cool.
That was good.
We have been down the Sounds. We've actually had people rented out middle of winter.
Yep.
So we're doing their tidying up
Yep.
after them and doing a few jobs and things.
Yep.
We've been out to Whites Bay. That was quite nice. I just had a
That
bit
was
of a
very
break.
good, yeah.
We have Greg's been working,
Yep.
so he's sort of been coming back and forth from the Sounds into
That's why I
here.
look so tired.
Yeah. So 1st of August today, and we've just done dry July, haven't we?
Yeah, that's why I feel very dry.
Yeah, yeah. So we might go out tonight and have a few beverages. Actually, the people we're going out with tonight, at the beginning of July when we said we're doing dry July, they said to us, we'll see you in August.
What the? What the?
So we're actually at the Blenheim racecourse.
Yeah.
We just find it easier. I know there's lots of nice pops and that around, but we just find it easy because it's a nice walk into town.
Right, yeah.
With Greg working too, it's sort of it's nice
Yeah.
and easy. But hey, we've got one side is the race club and the other side is the golf club. So it's actually quite nice and it's a beautiful blue Blenheim day, isn't it?
Just thanks for watching.
Catch you out there.
Tonight we're running on the right track.